Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kasa Smart and build away mode automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Kasa Smart app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the main screen, find the login option and select it. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password associated with your Kasa account. Tap the login button to access your Kasa Smart account. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password option for recovery instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices tab to view your connected devices. To set up away mode automations, select the Smart Actions option at the bottom of the screen. Choose the Add Action button to create a new automation. Select away mode from the available options. You can now customize your away mode settings. Choose which devices you want to include in away mode automations. Set specific time intervals for when the devices should turn on or off. Consider setting randomization for added security. Once you have configured your preferences, tap Save to apply the changes. Your away mode automations are now active. To edit or delete an automation, revisit the Smart Actions section. Select the automation you want to change and make your adjustments. After editing, be sure to save your changes. You can also create multiple away mode automations for different scenarios. Test your settings to ensure everything is operating correctly. That's how you can log into Kasa Smart and set up away mode automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.